Antariki Namaskaram, welcome back to Salman Surfs. We are at Mana Hyderabad and right now we are at Aparna Zenith, a beautiful 3 BHK apartment at Nallaganda. And here I'm going to take you through an amazing walkthrough along with the client, and this is one of our very good project done by a very own firm, Tint Tone and Shade. And here we are going to talk about design, execution, and a lot of interesting stories, how each and everything has come to reality. And the client is going to share how the challenges, initial challenges, and how the end output was and everything. So before we get going, so I am sitting here in a beautiful Jula, and this is the client's wife. She particularly wanted this here, and it is actually came out well along with the entire design. So Andaru Randi Chudadaniki Veldam.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you guys?
Nice to see you. Yeah, we are good. How are you?
I'm also very excited to see you.
Yeah.
Anyways, congratulations on a beautiful house.
Thank you. No
Okay,
problem.
and small gratitude from our side. Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
How was the entire Tint Tone and Shade experience?
Oh, the experience is good.
Please.
Please do the honors.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you. Okay.
When I entered itself, I got like very much happy, like seeing the finish. And actually, this one is also like part of our experience center. We did such a concept.
Yeah. You know, like first day we went to EC, we said,
Yeah,
okay, we are doing
so
this in our home.
It has really come out well. In experience center, it's like a combination of lot of things.
Correct.
But when I see it in a proper home, it looks really rich.
Execution team is very flexible. Like we did, change this, change that. This is not looking great. So I think these things these guys have made like twice or thrice, right?
For us, it's like a lot of projects will be there, but for you, it's one home, and
home.
we know that feel. And it's not easy to buy a home, do all these things, so we understand that. And even my team, I've always said like this is one home for them, not like different,
Correct.
So they also take in that aspect and they're doing. So I'm happy how it is coming along. I just want to know how you selected this home.
No, we are staying in this area.
Okay,
And
you're
then
here in Hyderabad only.
I'm in Hyderabad like for last 6 years or so.
So, I mean, this living room is really spacious. Why you guys decided this kind of design?
Always we wanted to have a grander look. Like I
Okay,
wanted
for
to
the
have
grandness.
grandness.
Okay.
That's one. And I don't want it to fill up like space just for filling up, right?
Okay.
So I don't
Whose
want
idea was this? This Jula also.
ma'am's idea.
Oh, okay. No, it is actually very nice. Like at least our Indian traditional touch is there. Like apart from a lot of things.
Right.
So when I entered, I first saw this. Then I really liked it. But everywhere I can also see the gold touch.
Gold is
like
good. That's-
the strip is there, and then you have that mirror again strip in the panel also. And Jula also you have that gold finish. So everywhere the gold touch is there. Ma'am likes gold.
Gold and mirrors. if you give her anything without gold and mirrors, she'll just pass the design.
Nice. Ma'am, did you ask for original gold or like just with both? Okay. I like the TV unit because all the wires and everything is neatly planned and hidden.
Yeah.
There is no visible wires at all. So that
No.
is something I always emphasize on for all the projects. But somewhere what happens, client at the last minute they'll buy some unit and they'll keep, and the wire will be going behind the, it will be very visible. But here I think you guys have planned it really well.
Very
I think
simple,
even
very
the DB box also you.
Yeah, that is hidden very well, yeah.
Yeah, it's hidden. So how about the Puja unit? Like a lot of times people, they want the traditional design. How you guys actually felt like, no, we want modern design in Puja? Because a lot of times they say, no, we want like mandir type and this type.
In her head, like how she wanted her puja.
Okay.
So that was one. The second thing is we always wanted this pocket door concept, right? And then having that wallpaper embedded, that same thing came out of like maybe so many discussions.
Okay.
So this is an idea.
Yeah, for your
Rangoli. and then
Okay,
we put like some prasadam, right?
so you had that extension.
Extension,
Like,
right.
okay, this is nice.
So this is where we can sit,
Oh, you can sit and
sit
okay.
and do puja, right? So this,
Okay. So this, if the puja is done, you just wanted to close it.
yes.
Okay. Okay, this is okay. Entirely bifold system. Okay.
You just have to.
Nice. So anyways, from outside also you have the pattern and the fluted glass. Like inside, even if it's modern, outside you can have that our own traditional touch.
Exactly.
Nice. So dining, you didn't want a crockery unit or something?
I wanted, as I said, right, I wanted to keep it open. I didn't want this as well. Ma'am was like, yeah, I want
No, this is very nice. I would go with Madam's choice, but this is really great.
I was like, keep it as open as possible.
Okay.
I didn't want it to, feel that.
That's nice.
Wanted
This is
to
a tile, huh?
No, this is a
This
texture.
was- texture
paint.
paint. Okay.
Texture paint. The first thing we was thinking like not to have this, but then we realized, okay, there is no place where guests can come and wash their hands, right? They have to go all the way to bathroom to wash the hand or come to kitchen, but we wanted to have that.
How was the main thing? Like kitchen is ma'am's forte, and definitely lot of changes, things would have come. How did you manage it? Like kitchen design, how was it?
We had few things in kitchen that she definitely wanted. Right, one is
Storage, definitely lot of
storage.
like, so I can see the entire kitchen is closed with the shutters and everything. Actually, usually we had the people old one. So this is the new one. I'm very glad that you guys have chose this. This is also very neat and
this looks neat, right?
Yeah.
Wicker basket actually spoils the look.
it's open, no, so not a much design purpose. This serves better.
Right.
Yeah. I think instead of crockery, you have stored all your things here. It's nice.
Yeah. So there was one crockery that we did here. I don't know if you missed it or not, but we wanted to get a crockery in it.
Oh, here. Okay. I missed it. So along with the kitchen itself, this is a very good idea, to plan this.
So this is like a sit out that we wanted to have.
Just sit and relax or something. Yeah. This is?
This is for used clothes.
Oh, okay, nice. Again, you very creatively used the back panel.
Yes.
Yeah. Because loft is like a lot of people you would have seen in all the homes. They'll have loft and then the same wardrobe. This is good. This is really good. But how you are managing the storage? Because sometimes the women will have a lot of things to store. How you are able to?
I don't get any storage.
That is there, like universal problem everywhere. Yeah.
Hijacking half of my compartments.
Okay.
Beds we got it from your vendor only.
Yeah. Fazil, no?
Fazil, yeah.
Fazil, yeah.
He came here.
I think he has done well, no? Like the finish also has come out really well.
Finishes it.
Actually, for my room, now I did like last month. Fazil only did my master bedroom, my mom's bedroom, and dining table also he did for us. So it came out really well.
Okay.
Guest bedroom. Oh, nice. Green tones you have gone with white. Okay.
Three colors, right, in our mind. One is green. So it was one of like its favorite as well. Green.
Okay.
Grey and beige.
This is a very rich green actually. It has come out well, and even the wallpaper is kind of complementing the wardrobe.
Right.
So who's using this room? Like Arjun or Arav? Arav. Okay. So this is not guest room. This is Arav's room.
I can put my laptop.
Okay.
So this is my space.
Oh, this is your workspace.
I just
also.
don't want
Okay.
like more. I just want only laptop.
Whenever you wanted to. Okay. This room is very interesting with a lot of things going on.
There's a lot of things.
Yeah.
This is a busy room.
You guys play basketball? Yeah. Okay. So you guys collect this, like all the heroes. Oh,
Exercise.
you bought it and you guys did together as a family.
Yeah,
this
is a good idea, like to do it now.
It's like a family activity. And also you have the loft space below. Easily accessible for them.
And that is also like removable, that table.
Oh, they both study here?
Both can study here.
Nice.
That's the idea.
And one last question. So out of 5, what will be your rating for Tint Tone and Shade? Be honest.
I would say 4.5.
4.5, okay.
Just because the designer change experience.
Thank you so much. I take it. I take 4.5.
But your team.
Because I want to improve. I don't want 5.
Right,
if you give me less only, next time I want to improve more.
But I think your team supported after that.
Thank you so much. And there is also aftercare service. We are not going to just leave and go. Sure. There is aftercare service. If anything, you just raise the ticket, and we have a separate team for it, like for aftercare. Same our own team only, not external team. So anything you can reach out, and in 6 months you have a free service also. So I hope you guys have this in mind. In 6 months you can call them and you can have a free service for any, because you are using it day to day. If you want any support, if you want to make it more tighter or like lose it a bit, anything, you can always contact our team.
Okay, what caught my attention, the ability to understand what I am looking for in my home. The way you guys have done this EC, right, where we can experience all the new things and then we can first hand see how it is going on, right? That thing was differentiating. We actually did one site visit before we finalizing it, and then there was like a similar kind of walkthrough which happened. We also spoke to some of your clients, like people who have done projects with you earlier, which got a positive responses across. What is the differentiation here is first inception phase, right? In that phase itself was designer able to understand the concept and what are our choices are, and then color themes that we are looking for. So that was one. Second thing, even with respect to the pricing and everything as well, right? There was a transparency across, like, okay, this is a budget option, this is the option where which would be cost effective, right? So giving that clarity was a differentiation thing. So talking about the overall experience and the process, it was well defined. At first meeting itself or first presentation itself, I was knowing what are the different stages on the execution which will come in. It was very well explained and documented across. I think looking at the dimension of every space, there will be always a need for customization across various appliance units. This team definitely helped us to do a lot of customization. Kids typically like their room because it's, if you have seen that, that's very vibrant, and then we have keep a lot of space for them to interact and do the activities. TV is the favorite area because we spend a lot of time in front of TV together here. This area has to be comfortable and cozy, and that's the designer have ensured that we get that feeling there. I think we will recommend you for our friends and family in future for sure. I think with the design and execution, we are completely satisfied.
We have come to end of this beautiful walkthrough of this 3 BHK residence along with the clients, and I really enjoyed it well. Heard a lot of stories, and I hope you guys also enjoyed this entire video. And we have been delivering such happy homes for a lot of clients around our very own Mana Hyderabad. And if you are a person who have just bought a property or looking forward to someone who can actually bring your dreams into reality in terms of customization, personalization, do visit Tint Tone and Shade, and I hope you guys won't regret it and it will be worth your time, and I'll assure you that. So our contact details and our website details have been mentioned in the captions, and as also you can always call us in the number mentioned below. Until then, Malli next video la kaludam.